Hi, I'm Kevin Castaneda, and this is Kev's Mindset, where we talk everything finance, investing, mindset, and productivity. And today we're going to be talking about Coinbase and why Coinbase is ready to explode and why it will explode in the next coming months. So leave a like if you do enjoy this video and subscribe if you are new and want more content like this. So let's hop straight into the video because we have a lot to cover. So Coinbase is a rather interesting company that I've made several videos about, which I've actually done very well. People seem very interested in this, so I'm going to keep giving you the content that you want and keep talking about Coinbase. So Coinbase is honestly very close to exploding. Yes, it's been stuck in that 200s range, and honestly, I never expected it to break under 300, but now that it has, it's like buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Every single day, I can keep buying the dip and still average my cost down, because for those of you that don't know, I bought on IPO day and I got Coinbase. So that's besides the point. The point is Coinbase has a lot of room to grow. With Coinbase beating revenues over and over, making more and more money than we expected, they're making a lot of money. Usually when a company comes out in a field that's kind of up and coming, they're usually losing money. They're usually not doing too great. Yet Coinbase is the biggest player in a newer market. Obviously, I know crypto's been around for a long time, but crypto brokerages getting bigger and bigger. This is the biggest one, and it's actually making money. It's making money. It's not losing money. It's not just barely making money. It's making a lot of money. It's crazy margins, like around 40% net, and that's crazy. We're not used to seeing numbers like this, and this is very important for us to take into account that a big company is making a lot of money in a space. And now, when exactly are they going to come back up? Because they've been stuck down here in the 200s for a little while now. And personally, my thesis is that Coinbase will be able to go up, and it will go up when crypto comes back up. Now, it fell with crypto. It fell a little more after crypto was down too, because it was falling in the first place. But now that crypto is down and Coinbase is down, they're all kind of consolidating. So I think when crypto gets that push back up, I think Coinbase will have that push back up, and we might see a $500, $600, $700, $800 stock in the next coming months. And I know some people think that's kind of crazy, especially because a lot of people are losing hope because they've been holding Coinbase for a while and they're like, so it's going down. But it going down is creating an opportunity. On IPO day, it was a $100 billion valuation. Now it's in the 50s, maybe even the 40s. I'll prop it up here. But it's going down, and it going down is creating a massive opportunity, especially for those who are new, into investing in Coinbase, and those who are already investors, we can average down. So the big opportunity really comes when, crypto's down, and now Coinbase is down too. And when they come back up together, that's what's going to happen. They're going to come back up together when inflation is maybe not as crazy as we see, or even if it is crazy. That's what I love about Coinbase. If inflation is really bad, it'll trade with tech stocks because it's a pretty high valuation. But if inflation's good and inflation's going down, it'll come back up with tech stocks. So it's kind of a nice balance of both worlds where it makes a lot of money, so it is somewhat high PE. However, it also trades with crypto. So if inflation does good, it goes up. If inflation does bad, it goes up. It'll do fine in both ways because it's a stock. And yes, it goes with crypto. However, it does make a lot of money. And I think with this crypto crash, yes, a lot of people got scared, but a lot of people are going to re-enter and buy the dip. And that's very important for us to take into account too, because a lot of people see the crash as like, they just sold out. That means Coinbase is going to be making less money. No, those people trading on it in the all-time highs, and now there's even more people coming in to buy the dip. And that brings a lot of attention to Coinbase, that brings a lot of attention to crypto, and that gets people buying in and buying the dip. And that's very important for us to see as Coinbase investors. So I do think that Coinbase will recover. It will make a swift and nice recovery back to the 400s, and then I think it will push way further than that in the next coming months and in the next coming years. So I think if you are a Coinbase investor, you have to stay diligent. You have to stay and buying the dip. And this is not financial advice, not my financial advisor. I just think that yes, we need to buy the dip. We need to look at it and be like, okay, this is what's going on. We need to stay attentive to the news. We need to make sure we know what's going on in crypto. And I definitely cover that on my channel. So if you're interested in all that, you can subscribe. But there's so many things going on, and we need to stay on the dot. We need to stay watching. We need to make sure that we know what's going on so we can buy the dip right up at the right time, and we can see it run up like we've seen it run up several times. So I hope that you did enjoy this video and it instilled some sort of confidence back in you over Coinbase. And you need to know that Coinbase is a long-term play. So if you're playing for right now, for like the next week, you might not make the returns you want. So I'm sorry, that's not what I'm here for, but I am here for the next month, the next years, and I'm very excited for that. So if you do want more content like this, leave a like once again and subscribe if you are new. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm so appreciative that you stayed till this point in the video. So I'll see you in the next one. This was Kev's Mindset, and I'll be okay. Coinbase is going to the moon.